Good evening, everybody. This is eBay user Kingkurri. Sort of been having trouble with trying to edit that video for the box break for the Panini Certified. So what I'm gonna do, I made it actually a little bit too long, 3 minutes too long. So I'm just gonna play the video on here, and
this is eBay user Kingkurri.
we'll go from there. So here we go.
Deleting some though. And the box in question today is, there you go, 900. 15365. This box right there. Put it in there. Getting all set up. And here we go. Let's see what everybody gets. Checklist. Well, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Pack number one. Open here. There we go. It's not a hot box, but see if we can get some good bonuses there. There you go. There's Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel, Jonas Gustafsson from Toronto. We got Patrice Bergeron from Boston, Nicholas Lindstrom from Detroit Red Wings, Thomas Vokoun for the Panthers, and we have a favorites of the game, Jonathan Taves from the Chicago Blackhawks. Good number. 227 out of 250. Nice looking card. There we go. Pack number two. There we go. Got a Jazz. Mass Marvels, Tuukka Rask. That is numbered 146 out of 500. Boston Bruins. Got a Spacer. Derek Roy. Gomez, Canadians. And Wade Simmons. And LA Kings. Right, pack number two. These packs are pretty tricky here. Virgin opening up these. Must be a good one if there's so hard to open. Yeah, looks like there's a hit in that one. Got Brad Richards, Dallas Stars. Kyle Raposo, New York Islanders. Got Dion Phaneuf from the Toronto Maple Leafs. Luca Caputi, however you say him, from Maple believe. And this one's numbered 475 out of 99. Let's see who it is. Oh, looks like we got a bonus here. We have a Tyler Seguin Freshman Fabrics autographed from the Boston Bruins. That is a very, very nice card. Wow, that was a really nice hit for the Boston Bruins there. And we got a Daniel Alfredson. Nice hit for the Boston. That happens to be a 780 Step 01. Congratulations. We're getting that out to you. I think you're from Edmonton, I believe. You got a Henrik Sedin from the Vancouver Canucks. We got a Jared Cowan from the Ottawa Senators. Freshman signatures. Very nice signature there. You got a spacer. Nothing on there. Sam Gagner, base. Ryan Miller. And then Dustin Byfuglien. Wow, really nice hit out of that Boston there. Nice. Too bad it wasn't Taylor Hall. I knew that pack was special. Tough to open. Great reward out of there. There we got a Sedin. This one's numbered out of 100. Here we go. We got a Brad Richards. That's a Near Blue. Got a spacer there. Nicholas Backstrom. Drew Doughty. And a Michael Backlund. This is the middle of the deck here. Wow, really nice hit still. Still amazed on that one there. The Boston Bruins there. There you go. We got Steven Stamkos. Yaroslav Halak. And number 222 out of 250. We got a Scott Gomez. Fabrics of the game for the Montreal Canadiens. We got a Drayson Bowman. Ilya Kovalchuk. Patrick Hornquist. Alright, here you go. Pack number 6. Little hit in this one, I think. Nope. David Perron. Got a top draft choice, Rick Nash. That one's numbered 367 out of 500. Spacer. Anton Bemet. Matt Duchene. And Henrik Lundqvist. Alright, here we go. Pack number 7. Let's see if we can hit something else here. Another juicy one, hopefully. Eric Johnson from the St. Louis Blues. I believe he plays for the Avalanche now. So that card might go into the Avalanche. And here we go, the throwback. We got a Dino Ciccarelli. And a Minnesota North Stars. Like the United States. We will throw that into the Dallas Stars. Another spacer there. Even though Ciccarelli, I don't think, ever played for Dallas. But we got Teemu Selanne. Sort of a disappointment this year. Javi Bulin. Still on the bottle, I think. And Jimmy Howard. Alright, 2 more packs. See how it goes here. set. We have a David Backus, TJ Oshie, St. Louis Blues, another spacer, Nathan Yerb, Milan Lucic, and Marty Turco. I don't think there's anything in that one. Alright, last pack. There we go. Let's see if we can get another good one here. Let's see what we get. Joe Pavelski, Kyle Pozo, number near red. See the number on there? It's number 6 out of 250. Got a spacer. Got a Rick Nash. Mark Stahl. And Matt Moulson from the Islanders there. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. So, we know Edmonton got something. We know Boston got something. We know San Jose got something. Cloft with randomize everything for those. Well, after doing all this mumbo jumbo stuff, we were left with Philly, Washington, Phoenix, and Pittsburgh, who did not get a card. So what we'll do is we'll randomize everything for those 4 teams there. Let's get it all done here. Get it all. We'll throw put them in there. Group them together. Those are the 4 teams that are left. Like that states, we'll randomize them 5 times. The last team on top will get their refund for that team back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Happens to be Come On Bob On It from the Washington Capitals. Congratulations, everybody. We got 2 more box breaks happening. I believe there's a Crown Royal ending tomorrow. Box number 125. And we got SPX breaking the day after. That box number is box 150.
Alright, everybody, that's that Crown Royal box break. I'll be posting that up right away. Sorry about that. And right now, I'm going to be cracking that one open as soon as I see who all paid and who's all on the list there. Alright, see you soon.